guys, so we are gonna play Steam right now. Okay, as you can see, so yeah, my Steam account, and we're gonna play Slime Rancher. See, okay, so now we're gonna press play. Yep, launch right here, and let's go. It's launching. Are you guys excited? Well, this is a demo, but it's a full game, but you only have an hour and 30 minutes to complete it. Yeah, so, but there's no load option, so why did I, yeah, I was playing this before, and it was kind of fun. I'll show you guys. So, we obviously press new game, so, we're gonna put my name as J. Your boy. Okay. We got this. Confirm. Okay, so let's confirm. Okay, now we're loading into the game right now. It's about to be lit up in here, bro. Okay, so let's see. Let's get moving. Move forward, yeah, we know. Jump, sprint. Yeah. So you guys, that it has to take so long. The tutorial though. Okay, so let's suck up that slime. Yep. So, whoa, we just spit out the slime. And now oh yeah. So, let's go. Now we have to put it in here, and then I'm gonna go to the hills. So let's put it back, and then vacuum up, because it's gonna this is what it's gonna do. It's gonna hop off. So yeah. So we have to get cords to be able to put it on, okay? So we are in the dry leaf. You see all these cute little slimes. I'm sorry. So let's do this. Here, so you guys get it. So you guys get it, right? Okay, so now we got 5 pink plorts and 15 pink slimes. So let's see. There's another pink slime, there's another one. Just need 2 more to go to get 20, and that means it'll be filled. Oh, that just bumped into me. How did it go? Come on, slime, pink slimes. So let's go to the pink plort. Another pink slime. Yep, we're done. Now we have to get that pink plort. It doesn't let us, if we have an extra slot, it won't let us put another pink slime. So we need 8 more pink plorts. I mean 7. That's a largest land for you, baby. Baby, done. Okay, so. Yep. Oh yeah. We're going. We have a chickadee. We need 5 more pink quartz. 5 more. Next episode, I might show you a little secret about this game. I'm not gonna have all the stuff that I have now, but I'll have cool stuff. Don't worry. So yeah, so we have this pink line, we have not, no, I'm sorry. Oh, there's more pink quartz. Yeah, so. We got 20 pink quartz, yeah! Oh, this is awesome! Get one shot at this. I just looked like you, baby. I told her, hold on, and then I'm standing there holding this. Okay, so sorry about my parents. They're just working on something. Okay, so we're going back, and let's see. We still got like 5 more minutes, so don't worry, you guys. We're going back. Okay, so we're gonna go on 16. Yeah. Here I have. I got 450 coins. Wow. That means when I buy this, it'll give me 100 back. Like purchase. Yeah. Okay, so we got the music box. Oh, this is Slimepedia. Slimepedia. Okay, so let's see. Coral. Yeah. We're going back over there. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to put the slime in a box. Okay, so. Oh no! I didn't see those slime parts. Oh, whatever. I don't need it. In like 2 more minutes, I gotta play this. Because I'm not going to do something fun today because you guys all know it's Sunday fun day. Ow. Okay, so let's get it. Ooh, so we got some right there. And we be being lit every single day. Yep. Okay. Oh no, we got that big pink slime. I think I have to go closer. Let me go closer. And now we got this. I don't want to get too close to the spiky slime. know. We can go back and play Slime Rancher or on Thursday. It would make more sense. Maybe. So, yeah. Let's suck up then. Ow, I got hit. Oh, that hurt. Okay, so ow! Excuse me, mister. Seriously. Okay, so I think we're just gonna go to bed now because it's starting to get really dark. Well, not really dark, kind of dark. So we're gonna go to bed and then I'll end the video there. Okay?